Hey, my bestie! Welcome to Quiz Slice! Today's fun pick, would you rather between Descendants or Zombies 4? Think quick, trust your vibe, and pick your side. Let's dive in and see what you choose. Which will you choose? Life is sweeter or ain't no doubt about it?
A little more brightly, when you take things a little more lightly. It's okay, no complications, in our way, it's fine.
Would you rather attend Oregon Prep or attend Seabrook High? Drop your pick in the comments. Are you Team Oregon or Team Seabrook? Would you rather befriend Mal or befriend Addison?
Heart was telling me, don't know what I'm feeling. This could be ordinary.
Would you rather live on the Isle of the Lost or live in Zombie Town? Can you spot Addison and Mal in this scene? Look closely. Are they hiding somewhere? Comment when you find them. Which dance performance is better? Team Uma or Team Willa?
Come on now.
Pick your favorite crew, Sea Power or Werewolf Energy. Vote now in the comments. Like if you're with Team Uma. Subscribe if you're backing Team Willa. Would you rather date Ben or date Zed? Would you rather have Maleficent as your mother or have Zed's dad as your mentor? Which will you save? Good to be bad or like the zombies do?
Raise your V's up high, wave 'em out, side to side.
Would you rather make up like Red or make up like Addison? Which song do you prefer? One Kiss or Someday?
This is gonna hurt. Either I will or I won't. We're gonna be someday.
Which song do you like more? Rotten to the Core or My Year?
I'm rotten to the core. Watch it come together, be the
Would you rather wear Uma's outfits or wear Willa's outfits? Pirate glam or wild werewolf style? What's your fashion vibe? Can you find the odd one out? Only sharp eyes will spot it. Are you one of them? Comment your answer below. Would you rather use magic spells or use zombie strength? Enchant your way out, or smash through with power. Pick one, get your hands dirty or legends in the making.
Gotta get your hands dirty. Just jump head first into step up. Gotta do better, keep my head up. No caving under pressure.
Quick, which one gets stuck in your head more? Which couple do you like better, Mal and Ben or Addison and Zed? A true royal romance or a zombie romance? Which couple do you like best? Like Mal and Ben? Subscribe to Addison and Zed. Would you rather attend a coronation or attend a pep rally? Which will you choose? My Once Upon a Time or The New Kid in Town? Would you rather have Jay as your tourney coach or have Zoe as your cheerleader? Which song do you like more? Did I Mention or Dream Come True?
You've shown me exactly where
Which will you choose? My Favorite Things or I'm Finally Me?
When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm finally me, I'm gonna shout it out. What's love?
Classic charm or confident anthem? What's your vibe? Would you rather have Red's singing voice or Willa's singing voice?
It's criminal how you follow the crown. This in the air. You can run all you want. We know what you've done. You're not.
Save one. Break this down or stand. Would you rather have a magic wand or have a Zed band? Spells or zombie powers? What would you choose? Comment your pick below. Would you rather turn into a beast or like this video? Careful, don't skip or you might grow claws. Like now to stay human. Save one. Be Our Guest or Utopia.
A chair as the dining room proudly presents your dinner.
Pick one. You and me, or what is this feeling?
We gotta be bold, we gotta be brave, we gotta be. What is this feeling? I'm free.
Would you rather have Dizzy Tremaine as your stylist or have Zoe as your dance partner? Final question. Would you rather travel by magic carriage or ride in a Seabrook car? Classic fairy tale or high-tech zombie wheels? What's your ride? Comment your pick. Royal vibes or zombie style? Awesome job, quiz crew. Which team had your heart? Descendants or Zombies 4? Drop your score or favorite pick in the comments. Like if you had fun. And don't forget to subscribe for more epic showdowns. See you in the next quiz.